All right, guys, so the Fed spoke today, and I'll touch on that very briefly in the beginning of this video. And then later in this video, we're going to go and I'm going to introduce to you a stock that I've already done actually a video before, long time ago on this, back in 2021 when it was going to go public as an IPO. The company is doing perfectly fine since that, and it's one of the few IPOs that I would say since 2021, or out of the 2021 IPOs, maybe 30% of those IPOs are actually, they did well so far, and they're still up and so on. So we'll look at that because it's still trading under $10, and it has massive potential with artificial intelligence. All right. So first of all, today the Fed meeting. 25 basis points, you already know it. I was going to, and I was ready to pull the trigger on UVXY, and I had the opportunity at 359 today when it went to 359. But I was confused because when it went to 359, I was on the Discord, and I was, people were saying, Mike, are you going to get in or not? You're going to buy UVXY? Because the previous day I did, and I told them at 359 in pre-market hours, let's get in, or I'll get in. Then I told him that I would sell a 4, and it worked exactly like that. It went from 359 to 401, 402, and that was it, and perfect. Today, it hit 359 again after it was hovering around 370, 368. And I don't know. What confused me with the Fed was that Jerome Powell didn't give a straight out answer. Okay, we're going to pause the rate hikes in June, right? He didn't say that. He just said that we'll see. We'll be monitoring the situation, gathering data, and based on that, we'll decide. Which is kind of, I don't know, gathering data and going by data. When that data comes in, and all those data points, which is many different, how do you interpret the data points? Some people, have different. I guess I don't know. I think that's. It's an answer that leaves you, like, okay, are we gonna pause or not? We don't know. He just said we're gonna go meeting by meeting, look at the data points, look at the data coming in, and so on, which eventually is just a 50-50. So that's why I didn't get into UVXY. I think though, what will happen, in my opinion, is for the next 2 to 3 days, the S&P 500 might be slightly, maybe slightly, a little bit up. But the third day from now, or the second day from now, I think would be where the UVXY would have gone down, and it would be a good entry, in my opinion, for a day trade or a 1 day, 2 day swing trade. We'll see. All right. Well, that's something I'll keep monitoring and let people know in the Discord. All right. So if you want to join the Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. The stock I do want to share with you is Zeta Global Holdings Corp, which, like I said, I've done an IPO review and analysis of this stock back before it even went public, so you can watch that also, where there's a whole full review of the company. Right now, the stock is trading at, as I had made the slides, $9.31. When I upload the video on YouTube, it will be different. And it had gone public on June 30th, 2021 at $8.40. If I remember right, I was bullish on that. And if I was, and I remember right, then rightfully so. At $9.31 right now, I really like this stock, and I'm ready to get into the stock. Zeta Global Holdings Corp operates an omni-channel data-driven cloud platform that provides enterprises with consumer intelligence and marketing automation software in the United States and internationally. And I like that. I love those kind of businesses. Being that I was also in the e-commerce business for many years, I understand this. So their Zeta Marketing Platform analyzes billions of structured and unstructured data points to predict consumer intent by leveraging sophisticated machine learning algorithms and the industry's opted-in data for omnichannel marketing. All right, so that's very powerful, right? They offer very, very powerful service for businesses to be able to have a whole, let's say, user profile, ID, intent, everything, to be able to gather all the, and know what basically that person might do, what they're willing to buy or not, and so on. And it gets even better because Zeta introduces generative AI agents that solve critical marketing questions powered by ZOE. And that was on May 2nd, 2023. So obviously very recent. And so I like that, to be honest. And I think that this is positive for the company and should help them obviously in the revenues and all that. Zeta Marketing Platform will integrate proprietary data cloud and other data sources to build a generative agents that create better experiences for consumers and accelerated results for brands. Back on April 13, 2023, Zeta to announce first quarter 2023 results on May 4th, so that's coming up. Another reason why I thought, well, this is a great time to talk about this. Now, betting on earnings ahead of time is very extremely risky. Some people prefer to wait to see what the earnings results would be before they jump into a stock, and that's fine. But if we look at the revenue of the company so far, as a publicly traded company, in 2019, they had $306 million. Then it goes up 20% in 2020, 24% in 2021, 28% in 2022. So revenue every single year is perfect, beautiful, average of 25% increase all the time. So that's awesome. Gross profit, positive 195, 219, 283, and 375 in 2022. And the analysts are very bullish. Within the next 12 months, they give it a price target of $9.50 for the low, average $11.50, and a high of $14. Earlier this week, Zeta introduced its own generative AI services that targets marketers. The program aims to solve many business critical questions and go-to-market strategies. So the company said, for years, we have known that the rise of generative artificial intelligence would be a paradigm shift, raising the bar for business growth acceleration. That is why the underlying DNA of Zeta Marketing Platform has built on artificial intelligence since inception. Today, we are thrilled to build upon our foundation with Zoe and develop innovations that will redefine how marketers improve strategy. Zeta Global addresses the need for data-driven marketing these days. So legacy solutions are not good enough to meet the needs of enterprises today. Zeta reduces total cost of ownership and provides omnichannel engagement, and it has plenty of cross-selling opportunities and other growth opportunities. Now, if we look at this here, this is from Bank of America. They give the estimates for Zeta Global as far as EPS from 2021 going to 2025. So it goes from 0.23 to 0.19 2022, 2023 at 0.27, 2024 0.35, and then 0.48 for 2025. And there's more, the PE ratio and so on, EV to EBITDA. Let's see, the free cash flow yield to go up to 8.4% by 2025. If we go to TradingView, then you can look at technical analysis. For those who are interested in technical analysis, I click the 1 month. Overall, it's sort of neutral, but there's some technical points that you can see here where the action is a buy for the stock for a 1 month outlook. Basically, it's the fact that I think Zeta Global Holdings Corp is a company that does really help brands, and with their ever increasing technology and artificial intelligence, whether we like it or not, I think is going to really help this company, obviously their customers and so on. Over the long term, I'm actually extremely bullish on this stock. I really am. It doesn't mean that you should be. I could be wrong, right? I could be wrong. I can't get everything right. But I am. And that's that. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you all the best. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.